What's up, guys? It's been a while since there's been a channel update, and as you can tell by the surroundings, I've moved countries. I'm now in Singapore, I'm not in Malaysia anymore, and this is my little workspace, my little corner that I've set up. Not everything is set up properly yet, so work's been killer. It's been crazy. Hopefully there'll be more videos on this channel in the future, and I thought I'd kick off 2020 with a budget ITX build. Okay, I haven't done an ITX build before, so this is going to be quite an adventure for me. I'm so used to working with big ass cases, and like having all the room in the world to make mistakes, and you can't do that in ITX. And this is going to be a workstation for me that's going to be portable. I'm going to be bringing it with me everywhere I go. And yeah, so let's talk about what's going to be in it. So to start off, we're going to be using a Ryzen 5 3600, not the X version, because that's just a slightly better bin chip than the 36 itself. Theoretically, they should be able to achieve the same clock speeds depending on whether or not you get a great chip. Usually Silicon Lottery for me is not very good. I don't tend to get very good chips, but who knows, it might change. And it's going to be cooled by a CryoRig C7 copper unit, which is much heavier. It's about almost, how much does it weigh? It says here 675 grams, more than half a kilo hanging off your motherboard. But this was on sale, so I thought I'd give it a go, even though it's gotten mixed reviews. And we're going to be dumping it all on top of a ROG Strix B50i gaming motherboard. Now this is basically the same as the X470 Strix ITX motherboard. It's more or less the same. There's not really much difference. Maybe the VRMs are not as good as the X470, but this is, again, this is like easily almost $100 cheaper than the X470 board, right? We're going to be using 2 sticks. Okay, 16 gigabytes in total of DDR4 Patriot 3200 RAM. These sticks originally were in Dazzling Diana, but now they're going to be doing service in this new build. We don't have a name for it yet. If you have suggestions, just put them in the comments below. We're going to be using a GTX 1060. This is a Manli Gallardo GTX 1060. Again, this is not really a gaming rig per se. This is just to get it up and going. Probably going to change that out in the future once all of the new Navi or NVIDIA GPUs drop into the market, but this will do for now, I think, right? It's all going to be powered by a Corsair SF600 SFX power supply, right? Fully modular, of course. This one, all the cables have been taken out, and everything will be put into this thing, the Fractal Design Node 202. Okay, 10.2 liters, barely bigger than an Xbox One X, and pretty portable actually. You can just about fit it into a 17-inch backpack, or you could put it into carry-on luggage. It should all be able to go together. Now the storage, it's going to be all NVMe because we've got 2 M.2 slots on this thing. We're going to have a 256 gigabyte Pioneer APS SM240. Well, it says 240, but it's actually 256 gigs for games and other storage. And this is a 512 gigabyte Adata XPG X6000 Lite. Okay, so these two aren't the fastest NVMe drives in the world. However, they will get the job done, and they're probably better than even 2.5-inch SSDs. So without further ado, we're going to put this thing together. Might be a series of videos, might be just one, don't know. Let's see how it goes. Yes, you can turn it off. after 2 hours, here we are. One of the most challenging builds I've ever had. I've never done an ITX case before. I know this case has been around a while, and I've been wanting to do an ITX project case for a while now. And I settled on this because of the form factor and all that ease of transportation and everything. And yeah, we're done. And this is it, you know, in all its glory. We don't have all of the panels on for obvious reasons, because we just wanted to show it off to you guys, what it looks like, before it gets all covered up in this black plastic. You know, we've got the motherboard, the B450i ITX Strix gaming board up here, together with a Ryzen 5 3600, and of course the Cryo Copper CU right there. Graphics card is down here. We added added two 120mm fans. I actually wanted to add slim fans, but then they kept on hitting up against the chassis no matter how it screwed them in, so swapped them out for just normal fans instead. Power supply is right here, and of course, as you can see with any other ITX build, cable management was a nightmare and will always be a nightmare when it comes to ITX. So, you know, it's been, you know, difficult, but I would say fun. I mean, these things are always fun. You know, what's not fun about building computers, right? Especially when you've done it for so long, like as I have. I'm sure like all of the other YouTubers would say the same thing. And yeah, this is going to be doing work as a workstation PC, you know, in my office. You know, maybe some light gaming when I have some downtime, that kind of thing. You know, it's going to be portable. I'm going to be carrying it everywhere whenever I travel. This is going to come with me. And yeah, you know, I'm just really excited that, you know, this is my first build of 2020, kicking off the year with, you know, new project and everything. I'm probably gonna do something with the panels, I don't know, stickers, whatever, painted, that kind of thing. Who knows what's gonna happen? And if you guys have any suggestions for the name for this new build, please do put them in the comments, and I will entertain.